Welcome to another video, and today I'm so excited kasi magmumukbang tayo ng tteokbokki. So super kinikrave ko na to since Friday. Today is Tuesday. Wala akong ifa-follow na recipe or whatsoever. Nagprepare lang ako ng stove here, and I'm gonna cook it as I go, and I'm going to talk about my high school life / school life so far. I am an upcoming first year college student. Basically, kwentuhan lang, ganun. Huwag nyo na lang pansinin yung mga kalat dyan kasi wala na akong magagawa. I mean, if my background noise man, I'm so sorry kasi may mga dumadaan na tricycles or whatsoever, and wala akong mic. So anyways, meron akong pan. Oh my god. Tingnan nyo nangyari sa pan. I'm scared. Okay, there you go. So I will just be putting whatever I feel like putting. So we are gonna start off by creating our sauce. 2 tablespoons. Let's see as we go along the way. Okay, so while I'm mixing this, I'm gonna tell you about myself. Though I will be doing a 50 random facts about me video. Pero right now, I'm just gonna tell you na yes, introvert po ako. I remember nung grade school, sobrang tahimik ko na papasok ako ng school na hindi nagsasalita, uuwi ako na hindi nagsasalita. Ganon. Though sa mga friends, obviously, nagsasalita ako, pero sa classroom, no. Siguro pag super required lang talaga or mapipilitan ka na lang talaga, ganon. Ganong levels. Pero, as I grow, medyo na-conquer ko yung ugali na yon. Medyo naging madaldal ako in a way. Pero hindi talaga ganun na loud sa classroom. Mostly madaldal ako sa friends ko. And if hindi kita friend, hindi rin ako madaldal sa'yo. If hindi mo ako kinausap, hindi kita kakausapin. Pero right now, I'm trying to get rid of that. So, pag ganun kasi yung ugali, sobrang hirap. Kasi hindi mo talaga masasabi yung mga gusto mong sabihin, hindi mo makakausap yung mga gusto mong kausapin, and basically you're going to have fewer friends. So ayun na nga, nung grade school, I remember having less than 5 friends. Sila yung parang 1 year mo lang naging friend, or at least 3 to 4 years mo lang naging friend. Struggles of being an introvert, sobrang hirap. Alam mo yung gusto mo talagang gawin, I mean, gusto mo talagang magbagoy yung sarili mo, but you can't. Yun yung feeling na nararanasan ko everyday pagpasok ko sa school. My school is an all-girls exclusive school since grade 1 to grade 12. Noong high school, actually naalala ko, super chubby ako noon. Super chubby ako noon na most of my classmates, pinipinch nila yung cheeks ko, like this. Both cheeks, dahil nakikita nila sa akin. But, ganun pa rin ako actually. Medyo nag-improve lang ng konti. Same person pa rin ako pagdating sa recitation, especially nung news reporting, pagka news reporting or like something na magsasalita ka talaga sa harap. Grabe. Wala na. Manginginig na ako. Wait lang. Kukuha lang ako ng spoon. I'm just gonna put about a tablespoon of sugar. Ilalagay na natin yung tok. Parang sobrang bitin na tok. Anyways, rice cakes. I have the stick type 1. Nirinse ko siya with water. Anyways, nung high school nga, yes, may naging friends din ako na yung mga supportive. May mga naging supportive classmates ako na tuwing news reporting, especially yung mga classmates ko sa harap. Tinutulungan nila ako. Though, alam ko naman yung topic, hindi ko lang talaga siya like, alam mo yun, ma-report talaga ng maayos. Kaya, fast forward to grade 9, may namit ako new friends, and naging friends ko sila. Well, up to this date, except for one of them, kasi may naging issue and stuff, hindi ko na ikikwento sa inyo in detail kasi I feel like I respect her. So, wag na natin balikan yon. I will just say na kapag sobrang bait mo, tendency is abusuhin ka. Actually, this is my Filipino talumpati. I'm planning to post it in my blog website. Link down below. I'm not saying to be bad, like to change who you are, but you have to have limitations. Kasi if you don't, you're gonna suffer for other people. That's just reality. By the way, I also have beef here. Lalagay ko siya later on kasi luto naman na siya. There. Okay, so going back, that's one of the factors kung bakit sobrang nag-struggle ako sa school is because I'm an introvert. So, nung grade 12, that is the most toxic year for me. And it's because of that issue nga, which I'm not gonna talk about anymore. Gusto ko sana sumali ng badminton team. I mean, for the sports fest lang not as a club or organization, but no sports fest lang. Pero, ayun nga, mas inisip ko kasi yung, like, iisipin ng iba. That is what I keep on thinking actually. Yung sasabihin ng iba, more than yung kung ano yung gusto ko. And sobrang nasayang talaga yung mga opportunities dahil lang doon. So this is actually one of the reasons why I started YouTube, is because I wanted to get rid somehow or reduce my shyness, my inability to interact with other people confidently or casually. Though hindi pa ako nakakapag-vlog publicly, but pag mag-isa ako, like right now, medyo marami ako nasasabi if nanonotice niyo yun. This is baby steps, so I'm not really forcing myself or pressuring myself to be like this person na bakit siya kaya niya to, bakit ako hindi, ganyan. No, this is baby steps. I'm taking things slowly, kaya ganyan lang muna. So at this point, I will be putting some beef. Okay, umuulan na. So I am so sorry para sa background noise later. Hopefully mawala siya. But, ayan na. Umuulan na. Okay guys, it's finally done. And, smells like caldereta. Okay, let's talk about prom. Meron kaming prom nung grade 6. Ay, no. Grade 10. Yes. So, hinikap kong mag-workout nun before prom. Pero hindi nga siya nag-work. Like, I mean, nag-workout ako, pero hindi ako naging consistent. And pinigil ko lang siya at some point. I'm going to insert a picture of me during prom. Like here. So, looking at my batchmates, sobrang parang nawala talaga yung confidence ko. And, oh my God, yung ulan. I'm so happy. I am so happy. 20% kung bakit gusto ko kumain ng tteokbokki is because of the sauce. But 80% is because of the texture. Yung chewiness na. So, there. So, yung mga days na malapit na ngayon prom, syempre preparation, maghanap ka ng gowns, maghanap ka ng makeup artist mo, if ever meron. That time, I have a makeup artist. So, nung naghanap na kami ng gowns, sobrang parang sabi ko sa sarili ko, bakit kasi hindi ko kinontinue? Bakit kasi tinamad ako, ganyan. Sobrang sising-sisi ako na di sana mas maganda yung gown ko, like mas maganda yung fit sa akin. And then, grade 11, another chapter, yung part na pipili ka ng strand mo. And I chose ABS. I didn't have any struggles. So, I mean, in choosing the strand that I want. After ng high school, medyo nagka-trust issues ako. So, I would just like to say, na you should be careful. Just don't tell everything. Yun na lang. Kasi, you don't know them na eh. So, they might be your best friend at the moment, and the next thing you know, they are backstabbing you. Or they are planning something fishy. Sarap. Yung beef, pinakuluan ko siya for 1 hour. Nasisipon ako kasi ang anghang niya. But I love it. Okay, may naisip akong topic. It's about my college course. So, international studies was not really my first choice. My first choice actually was culinary. But then, naging tourism siya. And then, dapat tourism na talaga yung kukunin kong course. And then, suddenly, biglang nagbago. And then, I suddenly want to be an architect. But, in that school na in-applyan ko, wala silang architecture. So, we have to choose the best course there. Okay, I'm back. Napuno lang yung SD card ko kasi 16 gigabytes lang yung SD card ko. And, tinasfer ko lang siya sa laptop. So, ayun nga. Wala silang architecture, and ang napili ni Papa is actually international studies. Sabi naman niya na I could choose whatever I want, pero naisip ko rin na maganda naman talaga yung course, so I'm gonna be taking that. Malamig na siya. It's so good. Ang dami pa na ito. sana umabot. Let's try 2 at a time. So, I might finish this off cam, pero I will eat this. Like, I will really eat this. But I will just eat this, like, maybe later, because I'm really full right now. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you do. Comment down below for any video requests, and I will try to do it for you. And, subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my next one. Please also visit my blog website. It will be linked down below. It's not on like a official website, but I do blog there once in a while, so please do check it out. And sana mas nakilala nyo pa ako. So, bye! So, this is what I have left right now. Ang sarap niya, but I'm really full. I'm gonna eat that later. Bye!